Today I'm going to show you how you can organize all of your Safari tabs into groups so that way you can switch between websites much quicker. First thing we want to do is open up our Safari app. And now normally the way we would switch between different tabs here is we would select this icon in the bottom right hand corner. We can see all of our tabs, but you'll notice I got 86 of them. But you'll also notice that I have this little icon over here. And if I tap on it, well, it opens up this little window that only has certain websites that have to do with stocks. So the way I did this is I'm using group tabs. And the way that you create this is you go down to this little icon in the middle over here, and then you want to select new empty tab group. So if I go ahead and select that, I can go ahead and then just name it. Maybe I'll name it stocks again. I'll just create another one here. And now I'm in this tab group, and any website that I open within this group will be left in this group. It won't be added to the other 86. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. If I look up the Dow Jones, okay, and then let's say I want to look up Apple stock, right? And now I have all of these tabs in here that specifically just have to do with stocks. Okay, I can also then just go back to my normal 86 tabs here. And one of the things that you might want to do is add one of your current tabs and add it to a new group. And that's pretty simple to do. You just want to open it up, and then you want to go to the upper left-hand corner over here. And then you want to select these three dots in the bottom right-hand corner. And then you'll see this little option right here that says Move Tab to Group. So if I select this, I'll be able to see all of the different tab groups that I have, and I can easily add it from there. So hopefully this video helped you out. This is a really easy way to switch between websites much more quickly rather than just scrolling through 86 different tabs here. You can create these little groups in order to help you switch between your open tabs much more quickly within Safari. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.